Hey guys, good morning, welcome back to my garden. So today I will show you how I deadhead the lavenders, and after that I will show you how I created this beautiful decoration with the flowers I cut during the pruning. So this is it, you guys. I'm really happy with the result. These look really fresh and nice and ready for the next wave of blooms. Look at this, you guys. This is all I cut off during the pruning, and I already have like 100 ideas what to do with this, because these flowers are really valuable for lots of different kinds of projects. So let's see. And I already found something to do with lavender. I found this beautiful piece of bark in the woods, and I will use this for this project. I will try to close it and put some lavender inside. So let's see how it goes. So this was a really easy project and a really beautiful one. I'm really pleased with the results. And thank you a lot for watching, you guys. See you in the next one. Bye!